Going on, y'all? So today picked up this 110 Tao Tao Chinese uh four-wheeler because I want to get one for my daughter. This one was 160 bucks. The guy said it didn't run. He didn't know why. Then he said that the starter's messed up, but he thought the motor was locked up. But when I got there and put the jump box on it, it turned over. I think between this one and the one that I bought for my daughter last year for $80, I think I can put these two together to make one that runs. So I'm thinking this motor might be toast. This one seems to be very, very low hour. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna take this motor, swap it onto this chassis, take the body, swap it on to this chassis, and we may call it good, because this has a good harness. I think that harness is bad. The brakes on that one is bad. The brakes on this one is good. This is a 2021. That is a 2017. So I'm thinking that may be what I end up doing. Let me show y'all something. Normally I don't get hyped over stuff. Look at this fuel bowl. This is the card that I just took off. This fuel bowl is immaculate. Look how clean that looks. Look how good the bottom of this carb looks. Oh, that is incredible. I thought this was gonna be a whole lot worse, but I mean, it's only a year and a half old, or 2 years old actually. This is 2 years old, and it looks like it's 16 years old. It looks terrible to be a 2021. So this looks good. So I'll just go through and just blow through, make sure everything is clear, clean it up, and this is gonna go on that motor. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the motor swap. So yeah, so I have the bodies taken off of both. This is the one with the good harness. This is the one with hopefully the good motor. Let me, I guess, start taking the motor out and I get them swapped over. Bad harness, good harness. Bad motor, what I hope is a good motor. While I have it out, I'm going to basically cut this harness off of here and put it on here. Colors are the same, the plug is different, so I'm just gonna match the colors up: yellow to yellow, white to white, green to green. This is blue and yellow, this is blue and white, and then it looks like black and red, and black and red, and then the green I will put into the harness on the green. I will swap the carb on while I have it off. So I'm gonna put it on the bench, get that harness switched over, get it thrown in, and give it some gas and hope that it starts. The good carb from the good harness, bad motor bike is on the hopefully good motor. The harness from the good harness motor, good harness bike is on the hopefully good motor. And now it is time to get it back in the bike. So the next time you see this turn on, we will hopefully be trying to start it. So we have the hopefully good motor inside of the good harness 110. Everything is hooked up. The carb is on. It was a little bit of gas in it, and it, smells fine. So I got it hooked up. The gas is on. I guess I could turn the choke on. No, we didn't have the choke off. Gas is getting to the fuel bowl. I think I have everything wired up. Oh, I guess I was plug the spark plug in, which I don't know if it's any good or not. So the only thing left to do that I need to get the little safety thing for the handlebars, get the key for the ignition, and we are going to see if it turns over and if it starts. Let's see what happens. Anything smoking? Nothing smoking? Alright. Snap! Yo! It is running! And it's running really good. Holy snikey. It is actually running. Why is the transmission engaging? I don't know. I guess the idle's a little high. But yo, it is running. This is wow. I did not think that it was gonna run. Oh shoot. Where's my screwdriver at? Where's my flathead? Adjust this idle a little bit. Yo, I did not expect for this thing to start up and run. Oh snap. Wow. Like this is great. This is great. I did not think that it was going to actually run and idle. Like this is awesome. And I mean the motor, the guy said that this motor didn't have a lot of hours on it. And I mean it didn't smoke the least little bit when it started up. This thing is purring like a kitty. Oh my goodness. Now the gas in this, I don't know how old it is, but I can't believe that it fired right up. It idled. It idles, is running like as it should be running. Like I said, I don't know what this wire is supposed to go to, but I guess I'll figure it out. Maybe it's a ground. I don't know. Evidently I don't need it. But this is wild. I do want to see if this works. Just out of curiosity. Nope, it doesn't. So I'm gonna throw that away. But this is great. This is great. So my daughter has a running 110 four-wheeler that I have $240 tied into. So I'll take it. Now I will say that going back to whoever put this together sucks, because I thought I had a rear end problem because this was moving. But this is just really loose. Whoever initially put this together did not know what they were doing at all. All this stuff is loose. Don't worry about my table. This is what I built my big block Fox on and my DB30. You know, it's strong-ish. I think it's time to get the body put back on, and we're gonna call this done. I'm going to strip what I can off of this and put it up to the side somewhere, take that frame, do whatever with it. I'm going to save the axle because my buddy Cortland, his son Aiden, has a 110. I think his axle is bent, so we're going to save the axle. But yeah, this thing right here is about to get wrapped up and be done, and I'm so happy. So what, I think I'm maybe 8 hours in so far. Really probably 6. I took like a 2-3 hour break, so I made about 5 hours in on this. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on trucking, and next time the camera turns on, this will be hopefully completed. One thing it is missing, I don't know how they did it, but it is like a little back section that comes off like a little grab bar. The grab bar on this one is completely gone. I've thought about cutting that off and putting it on here, but yeah, probably not. So it just won't have a grab bar on the back. So yeah, whatever. So yeah, next time it comes back, this will be done. All right, so we got it back together, got the body on. Everything is looking good. So of course we are going to do one last start test to make sure that it actually runs, because you know, as you do stuff and as you change stuff, something will get unplugged or pinched. So every step I try my best to make sure that it runs, so I can diagnose it then, instead of getting it all back together trying to diagnose it, and you know, it makes it a little bit harder. All right, so it's back together, running. The brake light actually works, so the parking light works, and then the brake light works, so that's awesome. The headlight works. This is the headlight that came on this body, but I took the harness off of the body that came on here, so that works. I'm gonna take some sandpaper, some compound, and polish that up because it's a little ashy. But yeah, it works, it runs, and I can dig it. So I need to order a battery, put the seat on, and take it on a test drive, and that will be done in the next video. So can we take 2 non-running 110cc Chinese four-wheelers and turn it into one? The answer is yes. Think, build, enjoy. Thank y'all so much. Peace.